We'll guide you through how to make your AirPods louder. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So there are a couple of different settings you can change to make them louder. So come onto your device and firstly open up your settings just like so. In your settings you want to scroll down into sounds and haptics just here, and then you want to go and scroll down like this until you get to headphone audio and headphone safety. So come into here. Now you may have this setting turned on here, reduce loud sounds, and what this is going to do is your iPhone will be analysing headphone audio and reducing any sound that's over a certain decibel level. So this is for safety, but if you really want to make your AirPods louder, then you should go and turn this off like so, as otherwise it will be being limited. Or what you can also do is go and move this option here as well, but personally I just keep mine fully turned off. So once you've turned that off, you can go and see if they're now loud enough. If they still aren't, then what you want to do is scroll down in your settings to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down until you see audio and visual just here and click on it. And then you want to go into headphone accommodations and you want to go and enable this like that. Then where it says tune audio 4, select balance tone, and then what you can do is increase this to strong. And as we can read here, it then says soft sounds will be boosted slightly, moderately or strongly. So you could try having it on moderate, but if you really want to make it louder, just have it on strong. And if that's too much, you can always try changing it down to moderate to see if that's better. So there are the two main settings you can go and change to make your AirPods louder. But if you're finding that your AirPods are still too quiet, then what I recommend you do is just make sure they're clean, because if there's muck and just debris on the headphones themselves, on like the speakers which go in your ears, these parts here, then that's definitely going to make them quieter. So do make sure they're fully clean to allow all the sound to come through them. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.